Grapefruit has long been consumed for its amazing health-promoting abilities and high levels of nutrition. Currently, more and more individuals who are serious about their health are now also adding the peels of grapefruit into their diet due to studies that have shown that the peels are packed with nutrition, contain tremendous levels of pectin, and are loaded with antioxidants. You can zest the peels on many different healthy recipes, add them to smoothies, or add them to healthy tea recipes. Just make sure the grapefruit is thoroughly washed before consuming. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming grapefruit peels regularly. First, consuming grapefruit peels can help to promote proper digestion and treat many different types of digestive ailments. This is because grapefruit peels are an incredible source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber. These high concentrations of pectin and soluble fiber can help to add bulk, promote regularity, reduce symptoms associated with diarrhea, and reduce cramps. Grapefruit peels can also help good bacteria in the gut to thrive. Grapefruit peels also contain incredibly healthy essential oils that are not found in high amounts in the meat of the fruit. These peels are a great source of limonene, which studies have shown works as a potent anti-inflammatory and can reduce inflammation throughout our body while also decreasing the risk of chronic disease. The essential oils in grapefruit peels may also have benefits when it comes to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and can boost immunity naturally. Consuming grapefruit peels is also a great way to increase powerful and potent antioxidants into your diet. The extracts from grapefruit peels provide many antioxidant compounds, which includes hesperidin, naringin, vitamin C, and plant-based antioxidants such as flavonoids. These antioxidant compounds and phytonutrients can help to reduce the development and symptoms of certain illness and disease, and can also help to provide health benefits for many vital organs and our gastrointestinal tract, increasing nutrient uptake in the process. Another important health benefit of adding grapefruit peels to your diet is that they can promote heart health and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. Consuming grapefruit peels can help to lower total cholesterol levels while also regulating blood pressure levels. The potent antioxidants in these peels can also help to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress that can compromise the cardiovascular system and lead to heart disease over time. Grapefruit peels can also help to improve the health of our blood vessels. These benefits are often associated with its high levels of fiber, nutrition, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lastly, consuming grapefruit peels regularly can help to promote the overall health and look of our skin. This should come as no surprise as they are packed with vitamin C, which is a vital nutrient for the production of collagen. Also, grapefruit peels are packed with skin-healthy nutrients, such as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which not only helps the skin to look younger while reducing fine lines and wrinkles, but can also reduce unwanted skin ailments, such as acne. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.